Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we will be learning how we can hide our WP-admin login link to make our website secure. This is a regular link which we use, for example, optical.com.pk/wp-admin, which we usually use in our WordPress website. But if we want to change this area WP-admin to make it secure, and it is recommended to change it so that hackers don't hack your cannot hack your website easily. So first of all, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now let's go to plugins. Now click on add plugin, and there's a plugin known as WPS Hide Login. WPS Hide, and here we can see with 2 million plus active installations. Click on install now, this one. Now click on activate. So here we have this plugin, WPS Hide Login. Go to the settings of this plugin, and here you can see this is the login link. You have to change the text here, and the login link will be changed. And you can use the regular ID and password for logging in WordPress, which you were using before. So I'll write, for example, optical.com.pk slash my secured WordPress login. Or you can write anything you want. You can write any password, code, whatever you want. But make sure the website will be accessible only through hosting or this link. The WP-admin link will not work. So I've written that my secured WP login, and then I'll click on save changes. The link has been changed, and now let's see. Usually before, you can see on my WordPress we were using WP-admin link. So previously you can see I was using WP-admin link, but now the link has been changed. So let's try it out. If we search for this dash WP-admin, you can see our website will go to 404. And now I have to write the link which we created, my secured WordPress login. And then when we click on it, we will be redirect to our WP-admin, and here we can write our ID and password and log into WordPress. Hope you liked the video. If it helped you, do subscribe and like. Have a great day. Bye bye.